Hello, I'm Don with StockChartistry.com. I build tools for traders because I am a trader. Every time I release a tool, it's been tried and tested, and it's been run through my own live account. And today we're going to talk about Pivot Pro, which is on all of my charts. Let's just get into it. Let's look at the options here. Basically before we get into it, I will say this. You're looking at an indicator that's going to show you the last three levels of pivots. So you have your 3 level lows, and then you have your 3 level highs. So that's what this indicator does. Now let's go ahead and dig into it to see what your options are. So you can set your look back length. It comes packaged as setting as a 12, and the 12 tends to work well for just about every time frame. However, on a weekly chart, I usually will move this into about a 5 or a 6. So if you did that on the weekly chart, let's see here. It's not on a weekly, but if we go ahead and move that, you can see our pivot levels become a lot tighter. And then on the lower time frame charts, I might move it out to as many as 16 or 20. And so if we did that, you can see it moves it out quite a bit. But once again, we're on a 4-hour time frame chart, and this probably works very well for this time frame. You can see that it automatically is. You can see that it's automatically capturing the highs and the lows of this 12-period look back. So, let's take a look at what other options that we have. You also have the option to show labels if you don't want to have anything on your chart. So now you're showing the labels, but you're not showing the price. So the labels are showing up here, and then your snapback's still showing. You have it loaded, so I assume that you want to have something in there. Or you can show both. Now I'm showing the price on the lines as well as the price in the labels. Or you can show none. And once again, show none is in regards to the price display. But it comes packaged with show chart only. Another feature that I like in it is that it does this rounding feature. And I have it set for the 4-hour time frame to 50 cents. It doesn't make any sense to be $482.51 or 52 cents. These are basically zones. You're not gonna actually do things to the penny, especially when you get into the higher time frames. So it doesn't make any sense to show that. I mean, on a daily time frame, a lot of times I'll set this up to $1. So your choices are 25 cents, 50 cents, and $1. If I do that, you can see here it shows it as $1. If I change it to none, if you are somebody, oh, sorry, that's the price display mode, chart only. If I say don't do any rounding, you're going to see the specific number. In this case, it's 44, right, is the cent. But we're going to go ahead and we can round it up to 25 cents. I think it's a cool feature. We're going to go ahead and set it as 50. I don't know of anybody that offers this type of thing with their pivots. Another thing that you can do is you can set your alerts. You can set an alert on every single one of the pivots or all of the pivots. And then down here you can just show, if you really want to, if you want to show the name as a label, you can show the name as a label. Something that I've done for you, and I've done this in order to keep your charts looking clean, is I've kind of subdued the chart lines. And if you notice, as you go further back, the color here actually becomes a little bit darker so that it's more subdued. And this helps you to actually focus on the thing that's important, which is the price action. And that's something that I learned, through my years of technology and building products for the last 20 years for Fortune 50 companies. So I hope you like this. I think it's a great tool. I have it on every single chart that I run, and happy trading, make lots of money.